Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's Wooden Things and Stuff. Today's a cool day, but it starts with a little bit of a drive. So let's just get in the truck and go, and we'll talk about why this is a cool day and what's going on in the truck on the way to where we're going. Come on! Woo! So 5,000 subscribers, you know, in the grand scheme of things, in YouTube land, is not very many. It sounds to most of you like I don't know, like why is this worth celebrating? But it took me a lot to even put myself out there in the first place, and to have more than 5,000 people click the button that says, yes, we would like to follow along and join you on this nonsense. It means a lot, and it took me a long time to get here. For somebody that has almost zero production value and isn't pretending to try and teach or even really entertain. And just finding his way through the world in the shop. It means a lot that 5,000 people click that button and express their support. So that's why I'm doing this. I want to give some stuff away to the people that support me in what I'm doing out here not out here in the truck, out in the shop. And so today we're gonna start by going down to my boy Tyler Peterson's shop, next town down, and he's started making joinery mallets on his CNC. So I grabbed a couple of scraps of old projects, well, offcuts from old projects, and he's agreed to turn those into a mallet. And so that's what we're doing today. That's gonna be the first thing that goes in the prize pack. Then I'm gonna make something in my shop, and then I have a couple of sponsors that have genuinely and generously said that they would chip in something for the giveaway as well. So we're on our way to Tyler Peterson's shop, TP Guitars, to make a mallet out of some cherry, sapele, and maple that were the rest of the boards from what I used to make my segmented bowl at the end of last year. And stick around to the end of the video, and I'll let you know how you can enter to win that and the other things that are going to be going in the prize pack. Oh, it's a nice drive. I am not upset at all that I have to drive for 40 minutes to get to Tyler's shop today. I live in a beautiful, beautiful place. All right, so we're down. We're here in Mr. Tyler's shop, and he's got the pieces that we're gonna lay out on the boards. We're making these. This is the one he made me. This is mine. You can't have it. But we can take the pieces that he's made from other ones, and we can kind of get an idea of how we want this thing put together. We got sapele, cherry, and maple. We need a handle, outsides, two insides, and a wedge. What are we looking at here? What are you thinking in terms of cherry maple sapele?
That is really nice maple.
That is a really nice piece of maple. I'm almost thinking like outside.
Outside would look really nice off that. And then
And maybe a cherry handle. And then just little sapele inside pieces and wedge.
Yeah.
That might be cool.
Yeah, do that.
All right. Yeah, I like that too. So what do we need to start with here? We need to make sure that all these are the same thickness.
Exactly.
Or at least the handle and the inside ones. The outside ones won't matter. So we
That's
can just
fine.
keep the maple just out. Make sure the sapele and the cherry are the same, because that's inside and handle. And then we'll just go over to the CNC.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, let's get the planer out. Oh, the planer's in behind a bunch of stuff, yo.
That's how it is.
Back in a minute.
How much I use the thing, eh? Welcome to my life. Okay, first thing we need to do is home the machine
We hone the machine.
so it will know where the front corner of it is. So, okay. Now it knows where the front corner is, we can move it wherever. And then we'll get our pieces and get that secured on the wasteboard and start cutting. Okay, so we want our outside faces off this piece, right?
Yeah, let's pick some super wavy part.
Oh,
Can we get both of them out of the? Or we could just do like this.
it would be like 1 and 1.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
That's pretty curly.
Probably better ways to do this, but I use tape and CA glue.
You got a particular favorite kind of super glue, or?
Starbond. Don't want anything to move.
No, I can't imagine that things moving would be great in this particular situation.
Definitely not. Imperial. So now what we need to do is set our X, Y, and Z origin point. So we're going to tell the machine where 0 is. So now a little 0. And we have to pick our file. So this would be mallet face, vertical.
You don't have a picture of that file? You're just trusting that you remember the file name?
It's got me in trouble before, but... Okay, now let me turn this on.
There we go. Not plugged in.
I need like a power bar over here.
So now, at what stage of this process do we do, like, the router was a little bit rough in a couple of areas and stuff? Do we, like, plane that now, sand that now, do it all after? What's the deal?
I do it after.
Do it after?
Do it all at once.
Just get it glued up and then just clean it all up
Yeah,
after?
and clean up all 4 edges.
Okay. Cool, cool. Let's get it in glue.
Let's.
Well, you get it in glue. I don't know, I'm not messing with glue.
So what we want to do is get this tight as possible, but leave enough for the wedge to do its thing. Using the straw trick I learned from Mike's wooden things and stuff. See, Mike, I did learn something from you.
Don't learn from my channel.
Don't come here to
How
learn.
dare you?
And we'll go over to the chop saw, clean these up. And top and bottom are pretty clean. Might just hit that with the hand plane.
Cool.
I will set this to 30 degrees. Boy, if only we had a mallet.
I think you might be able to find one.
The mallet, the mallet. That's perfect. Alright, let's take it over to the bandsaw and nip this wedge off. Sand it up and brand it.
All right. Well, that's unfortunately all the time that I have today to be down here, so I'm going to take this home and finish it at my shop. Obviously, if you bought one from him, it would come finished. But we ran out of time today. I'm super happy with how it turned out. using the CNC was super cool, watching it do its thing. Thanks for having me in, and thanks for giving me the time to do this in your shop, man. It was fun to hang out.
Yeah, thanks for coming down, man. It's been a blast.
Yeah, no, it was fun. It's rare that I get to hang out in somebody else's shop. So I'm going to take this home and finish it, and then we'll cut to me in my shop telling you about how you can enter to win this and the other things that are going to be going in the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Bye. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Okay, so there is the first thing that's going in the prize pack for the 5,000 subscriber giveaway. Figured maple, sapele, and cherry joinery mallet, courtesy my friend Tyler down at TP Guitars. If you're interested in getting one of these for yourself, you can hit him up by direct message over on Instagram at TP Guitars. You're not on Instagram, you could email him, tpguitars@gmail.com, and get the conversation started about getting one of these in your hands. You pick your woods combination, and he makes it into a mallet and sends it out to you. They're super nice, super functional. Really happy with it. If you want to win this one, you need to comment down below under this video, what are you going to use this mallet for in your shop? And then there'll be 2 more videos in the 5,000 subscriber giveaway series. One where I make something to add to the prize package, and then a third where I talk about everything that's going in the prize package and thank all the sponsors and that kind of stuff. In each of those videos, I'm going to ask you a question that you have to answer down in the comments. Everybody who answers all of the questions is entered into the giveaway. There will be bonus entry opportunities at patreon.com/woodenthingsandstuff for the people who support me over there. There will be bonus entries available to people who tune into my weekly live show here on the channel between now and the time the giveaway happens. So make sure that you're subscribed. You got the bell hit so you know when we go live, so you can get in on those entries. And then I will draw the winner live on the live show once all those videos are out and the prize pack is all put together. Looking forward to getting this and everything else into somebody else's hands to help them get working in their shop. Thank you so much for everybody that's been coming along on this weird and wacky YouTube journey of mine. Thanks for watching this one. Answer the question down below and watch for the rest of the videos coming out in the next month or so. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. See you next time. This one's mine. I went with maple and purple heart. All right.